I am still cheesing and grinning. I'm in the drive-thru at Burger King here in Napanee. Picking up a little bite to eat and something to sip on. Man, my cheeks hurt. I grin so much. Big shout out to Melvin and his beastly Camaro. That thing is absolutely amazing, guys. We got to take that for a ride. That's definitely something you guys are going to have to check out. It's going to be some clips to come. There's definitely the teaser for it, guys, and I'm telling you, that thing is spot on. I love that thing, man. Look at me. I look like I need a haircut. But that car is beautiful inside and out, and it runs impeccably. It's professional built, and it is built right. There's a lot of engineering and technology going into that thing to get it to produce the power and handle and hook up and everything that it does. That machine is the pinnacle. Very, very, very beautiful machine. It's definitely going to be worth checking out, guys. We're out hanging out in the driveway. I got Nate and Justin. They're at the house chilling out, waiting for me to get back. Woogie Jones and Jesse Bailey. I'm going to say what's up. You guys come by, see me. Whatever you got going on, don't sweat that fool, man. It ain't even worth it. So just, like, forget it. Jump in the whips and come on over. Bring the boxes and Chevys and just whatever, man. Come over. That's what it is. But I'm going to get some grub. I can't talk. My voice is shot, guys. I've been talking all evening. Me and Melvin, we hung out for like 2 hours. That was just a great time. It's really good to meet the followers and the subscribers and the people who watch the channel and appreciate the same kind of hobby and enjoyment that I do. It's really good to get out into the community and see different things like that. It's a trap channel. I'm not professionally building anything, guys. That's the farthest thing. So it's neat to go out and see something that's different, that is, not something that we generally see here on the channel and things like that. It's a little different taste. But that guy, is a prime example of an American muscle car. It's done. It's new school, done in just classic hot rod, and they nailed it, guys. He was saying he's got some more things coming. All I'm going to say is carbon fiber from Lingenfelter. So hopefully we can get him back on, get all that filmed, and that'll be really, really good to see. We're going to get him on the Chevy Gang group, get him on the page, and he's going to be one of the moderators, guys, hopefully. So he'll be able to post. So if you guys like this and you guys want to see the videos of him and you want to be able to follow him, you'll be able to get on to the Chevy Gang group and be able to get in there and follow him. He'll be able to post and videos, whatever he's got going on, and he seems like he's really into what he's doing, and he's active. So we'll be able to see a lot of footage and things from him. So he'll hopefully be able to produce and put us out some videos, and we'll be able to follow him along. Great opportunity. What's up, homeboy? That's Mini-Me, I think. What's up, brother? But that car is absolutely amazing. And as you can see, I'm in the Jag. You guys haven't got the update on it. But the dome lights are in, guys. I gotta get these guys some money. Yes, sir. You gave me one straw. I should have 3. I should have 3 straws, brother. Oh, all right. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. All right, guys. Sorry about that. We had to take care of a little bit of business. But, yeah, you can see the lights. They're in here, guys. We got them going. That video is still to come. We'll have to check that out. We did the trunk. We got some more things going. We had one of the followers, one of the subscribers. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. My throat's real bad. I need to get my soda. But somebody made a donation to the channel, so we have a few little funds that we can spend to put into some things. So I'm going to plot and see what I can come up with, a good, unique way to put that to good use. And that way that subscriber can see exactly what they help contribute to and what we did with that, and as far as adding stuff to the channel and doing something productive with their contribution. So I'm going to give a shout out to them. I don't know necessarily if they want to be mentioned like that, but real grateful. So guys, one of the followers, subscribers, has made a nice contribution to the channel. It's appreciated. We're going to do something good with it, put it to good use, and come back with some more videos with it. So that's what we're going to do. Big shout out to you. You know who you are. God bless you. Thank you. We're going to do something fun with it so you get to see. But I'm getting ready to get this food, guys. I can't talk anymore. If you're around, stop by the pad. You know where we're at. We're hanging out in the trapway. This is what it is tonight, guys. I got to make a quick run later on tonight, drop off some kids. Jesse Bailey, what is up? You and Wookie need to come see us. I'm here in the drive-thru at Burger King. Whatever you guys got going on, forget it, man. Just come over and hang out. Just let it go. Who cares? Whatever. It's going to be all right. Forget it. Don't even trip. Don't stress. Just come hang out. But, all right, guys. I'm getting ready to get up here and get my food. And, like I said, my voice is shot. I haven't felt well all week. I got some rest today after work. I got cleaned up, and I got some drugs in me. So I'm on drugs. I'm on some Theraflu and Mucinex. It's not the Rona. I'm okay. I'm just not feeling well, guys. But my voice is shot. Todd Moose, what up, brother? You know where we're at. Come by the Trapway, man. Jesse and Ace there hanging out. Jesse and Wookie, hopefully they're coming by. If you're around, brother, hit us up. The video, Melvin and the Camaro man, is absolutely amazing. Todd, you're gonna love this, dude. Makes me grin. I definitely want to get the Blazer and go for a ride in that thing too, so we can show that off on the channel. Beautiful machines, guys. I want to showcase them, bring them out, show up and show out. But here's my food, guys. So I'm gonna put this down for a minute. Yes, please. Man, the Burger King right there. You see it? Burger King. I gotta handle this, but Todd, yeah, I want to get you on the channel too, brother. Thank you, darling. You too. Man. All right, Todd, yes, definitely. I'm gonna go for a ride in that Blazer. I'm gonna showcase it and do the same thing. So if you're around and we get the opportunity, if you still got it out, we gotta get it. I kind of wanted to do last weekend, but we got carried away on the country road, so that kind of went to the wayside. But believe me, that thing's sick, guys. So if you guys have seen the Blazer, I know you have, that thing's bad. You're definitely gonna want to see those videos, and we'll do a live teaser, let you know we're doing it, and then we'll hit the video, guys. Same as always, you know the routine. But listen, I'm getting ready to cut out on the road. I gotta put this phone down and drive. We'll see you guys here again shortly. If you can, oh shit, crap. If you're around, you know where we're at. If you don't know where we're at, inbox me. We'll let you know. Come by the spot. We're trapping it out. Later, guys. Keep on trapping.